This is the community of American truck drivers. The videos we post here aim to help all the truck drivers.
I did cool shit, but not like this, dude. Right. So this is the semi truck that literally this is what happened. Dude, this guy lived. I'll bring it all to the hospital. It's probably not. So, we've been stuck in traffic behind these semis. We're the lucky ones that are fairly close to the actual accident. So we're right behind the cop there. So this is I-40 westbound coming down Kingman, the pass. We got a final destinations moment here where the pipes are still unsecure, so we're gonna sneak by really carefully. What's up, man? How are you? Final destinations, fucking real life right now. Fucking pipes just being thrown at hose. Dude, this truck smashed so motherfucking hard into this shit. Look at the fucking door, dog. You think those speakers are still good? You think those are good still, babe? Should I pick them up? They're three ways. Got a fucking tweeter. Look, he hit the back of this truck. So this fucking is going down the hill. There's a grip of snow this morning. This happened later in the night. So there's a heavy amount of snow on the road. And it definitely caused a slippery situation. So now we got a couple semi trucks. This one looks like he's leaking all of his tranny fluid. Babe, yeah. And this is the front of the semi. Dude, this guy lived. So I watched him get taken out by the jaws of life. And dude, I literally don't know where he was. Like, it literally, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any fucking sense. He must have basically been thrown into the back of his truck because the whole fucking cab is off. It's the Cali plates. Got that California stop going. But he's no expert. Let's put it that way. And if he is, he's probably not fucking doing it anymore. But yeah, the whole truck is crazy. And then this guy got fucking hit. It looks like he was trying to change lanes from the fast lane into the slow lane or something. I didn't actually see it happen, but they're telling me now that the traffic is backed up about 5-10 miles. The last report, the guy snuck through in a 4x4 and he was saying something about a couple miles. But yeah, this is another one. Oh, this guy wasn't involved. But yeah, pretty much the craziest shit I've ever seen as far as the cab goes. But hey, he made it out alive. Better thank his lucky stars.
With everybody thoughts on this, if you guys want an accident now, but
God, am I glad I'm not in this. Holy crap. Good reason to have a CB in the truck. Wow.
That was a close one.